Hello students, good morning. Jai Swami Narayan. All of you welcome to class 4 in Atmiya Green Schools. My name is Prajakta and I am your math teacher. Now we will start lesson number 5, factors and multiplies. So our today topic is exercise 5.3. But before starting our exercise, we will see what you had learned in the last period. First you had learned multiplies, then property of multiplies. So how many property of multiplies? 5 property of multiplies. So first property of multiplies is every number is multiply of itself. Every number is multiply of itself. Then property number 2 is every number is a multiply of 1. Every number is multiply of 1. Then property number 3, a multiply of a number is always greater than or equal to the number itself. A multiply of number is always greater than or equal to the number itself. Then property number 4 is a number has a uncountable number of multiplies. A number has a uncountable numbers of multiplies. Then property number 5. There is a no largest multiply of a number. There are no large multiply of a number. The next topic is odd and even. Which is the odd number and which is the even number? Even number, a number which is multiple of 2 is called even number. ओके जो नंबर क्या होता है 2 से हम डिवाइड कर सकते हैं उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं इवन नंबर. एंड व्हाट इज द ऑड नंबर? अ नंबर विच इज नॉट मल्टीप्लाई और 2 इज कॉल्ड ऑड नंबर जिसको हम 2 के साथ डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1, 3, 5, 7 इसको हम 2 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई नहीं कर सकते. अगर इसके साथ हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमें क्या मिलता है रिमाइंडर कुछ ना कुछ मिलता है. मीन्स दिस इज नॉट even number. And which is the even number? 2, 4, 6, 8 like that lot of numbers. Then next factors. Okay, what is the factor? A factor of number divide the number without leaving a reminder. ऐसा नंबर जिसमें रिमाइंडर क्या रहता है 0 उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं उस नंबर का फैक्टर बोलते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 3 इंटू 5 इक्वल टू 15. सपोज हमने 15 को 3 के साथ डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमें क्वेश्चन मिलता है 5 और रिमाइंडर क्या मिलता है 0. सपोज हमने 15 को 5 के साथ डिवाइड किया तो हमें क्वेश्चन मिलता है 3 और रिमाइंडर मिलता है 0. सो 3 एंड 5 क्या है फैक्टर है 15 के. ओके now next is a factors tree. The following diagram are called factor trees. This diagram is called factor trees. They show the factors of tree number. The number 1 is not shown in the factors tree since it is the factor every number. फैक्टर ट्री कैसे निकालते हैं इसके लिए यहाँ पे 3 एग्जाम्पल दिए. फर्स्ट 6. ओके स्टूडेंट टेल मी 6 इज द ऑड नंबर और इवन नंबर? 6 इज द इवन नंबर. वाई 6 इज द इवन नंबर? बिकॉज 6 इज डिवाइडेड बाय 2. अगर हम 2 के साथ 6 को डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमें आंसर कितना मिलता है 3. सो 3 इंटू 2 3 इंटू 2 6. 3 इंटू 2 6. सो 3 एंड 6 क्या है 3 एंड 2 क्या है 6 के फैक्टर से. ओके नाउ 3 को हम डिवाइड कर सकते हैं क्या? नहीं. और 2 को डिवाइड कर सकते हैं क्या? नहीं. सो नाउ वी विल स्टॉप हियर. नाउ look at in second diagram. Second diagram is the 12. So 12 is divided by 2. Yes. So 6 and 2 is the factors of 12. So now 6 we will take out the factors of 6 क्योंकि 2 के फैक्टर हम नहीं निकाल सकते हैं. Now 6 फैक्टर इज 3 and 2. 6 के फैक्टर्स क्या है? 3 and 2 है. और हम 2 के फैक्टर निकाल सकते हो क्या? नहीं. 2 को डिवाइड करने के बाद हमें क्या मिलता है? 2 ही मिलता है. 2 को किसके साथ डिवाइड कर सकते हैं क्या? नहीं. सो हम एज इट इज़ उसको नीचे लिखेंगे और 6 के फैक्टर लिखेंगे 3 and 2. नाउ वी विल चेक मल्टीप्लिकेशन. 3 into 2 6 and 6 into 2 12. So we are getting answer 12. Now 24. So we are taking the factors of 24. 6 and 4. After multiply 6 and 4 we will get 24. So 6 के फैक्टर हम निकाल सकते हैं. Yes. 6 फैक्टर 3 and 2 and 4 के फैक्टर 2 and 2. Now we will check answer. Okay. So 3 into 2 we will get 6 and 6 into 2 12 and 12 into 2 24. So we are getting 24 answer. Now we are starting our exercise 5.3. What is the question number 1? Do you think 12 can also have a different factor tree? Yes. Here I have example. यहाँ पे एक एग्जाम्पल है और यहाँ पे क्या किया है? 12 के फैक्टर निकाले हैं. सो 12 के फैक्टर और अलग तरीके से हम निकाल सकते हैं क्या? यस. शो हाउ. यहाँ पे हिंट दी है 12 इक्वल टू 43. नाउ लेट्स वी विल टेक आउट द फैक्टर ऑफ 12. सो लुक एट इन. यस. 12 can also have a different factors tree. So we are taking 12, then 12 factor is 3 and 4. Now 3 do not have any factors, so 3 we are writing in downside. Now 4. So 4 factor is 2 and 2. After multiply 2 and 2 we will get 4. Now we will check answer. Okay. Now 3 into 2, how much student? 6 and 6 into 2 12. Okay, so how much getting answer? 12. Okay, now question number 2. Can the number 24 have more factors? How many more? 24 को मोर हैव अ फैक्टर मीन्स बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स है. कितने और है तो कितने हैं? सो लेट्स सी हियर. यस. 24 हैव अ मोर फैक्टर्स. 24 हैव अ मोर फैक्टर्स. 24 हैव अ 3 factors 3. How much factor? 3. This is I am writing that 3 factor only for your understanding. This is not need to write your notebook. First factor of 24, 2 into 12, then 2 is writing here and 12 factors is 2 and 6. Now we are carrying 2 as it is and 6 factor is 2 and 3. Then next factor is 3 and 8. Now we are taking 8 factors. Now 2 and 4. Then 3 carry as it is. Then 2 also writing as it is. And 4 we are writing in downside means 2 into 2. Now next factor of 24. 4 into 6. 4 factor is 2 and 2 and 6 factor is 2 and 3. So how many factor we have getting? 3 factor gettings of 24. Okay, now we will start. Question number 3. Make two factor tree each of them. Make two factor tree each of. ओके हमें क्या करना है, टू फैक्टर्स निकालने हैं ईच नंबर्स के. सो फर्स्ट नंबर इज 16. So 16 is factors of 2 and 8. 16 is factor of 2 and 8. Now 2 is we will carry as it is. Now we are making the factors of 8. 8 किसके factors है, 2 और 4. After multiply 2 and 4 we will get 8. Now we will take 2 as it is. That 2 is we will write as it is. Now we will make the factors of that 4. So after multiply 2 and 2 we will get 4. Now we will check our answer is correct or not. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8 and 8 into 2 16. So this is the correct. Now second factor of 16. Second factor of 16 is 4 into 4. After multiply 4 into 4 we will get 16. Now we will take out the factors of 4. So 4 factor is 2 and 2. And here also 4 factor 2 and 2. This is the two factors of 16. Now example number 2 is the 20 number. So 20 factors is 2 and 10. After multiply by 2 and 10 we will get 20. So 2 we will write as it is. Now we are taking the factors of 10. So after multiply 2 and 5 we will get how much, get 10. Now we will check our answer is correct or not. So 2 into 2 4 and 4 into 5 20. Now next 20. So 25 into 4 we will get 20. Now 5 is writing as it is. Now 4 factor is 2 and 2. So after multiply 2 and 2 we will get 4. Now we will check answer is correct or not. 5 into 2 10 and 10 into 2 20. Now we will take out the factor of 30. 30 2 into 15 multiply we will get 13. Now 2 is writing as it is. Now is here the 15. So 15 factor is 3 and 5. After multiply by 3 and 5 we will get 15. So now we will check answer. 2 and 3 we will get 6 and 6 into 5 30. Now next factors of 30. 30 3 into 10 we will get 30. Now 3 is writing as it is. Now we will make the factors of 10. So after multiply 2 and 5 we will get 10. So now we will check answer. 3 into 2 we will get 6 and 6 into 5 30. Okay. I hope all of you nicely understood. So example number 4 and 5, this is the homework for you. And now next is which of these can have a more than 2 factor tree. यहाँ जो नंबर है उसमें से किस नंबर के फैक्टर 2 से ज़्यादा निकाल सकते हैं. ओके. सो आफ्टर सॉल्विंग ऑल वी विल फाइंड. सब सम सॉल्व करने के बाद हमें पता चलेगा कि किस किस में क्या होता है, 2 से ज़्यादा फैक्टर निकल सकते हैं. सो example number 4 and 5 homework for you. Then that question, which of these can have more than 2 factor, this is we will see in our next class. Thank you and have a nice day.